This is Hayden eating an eggshell like he saw in the Three Stooges. Don't you want to salt it first?
Oh, yeah.
You should probably salt it.
Oh,
Okay. He thinks it's going to be delicious because he saw Curley doing it.
I don't think I've ever seen anybody eat an eggshell, but like an alligator, Hayden.
Nice.
You don't have to eat it all.
Like a potato chip.
Do you like it?
1, 2, 1.
Oh, that's so gross. What are you doing?
1, 2,
No, oh my God.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my God. Get him something to drink first. You got to chew it up really good, buddy.
7,
That's gonna hurt on the way out.
4.
How was it?
Do you need to spit it out? No?
2.
You'll eat an eggshell, but you won't eat pizza.
No, he'll eat an eggshell, but he won't eat a hamburger. Are you okay? Do you want to drink your drink? Was that a Three Stooges thing?
Mm-hmm.
Drink some of your slushy. Now what does Curly say?
Swish it around your mouth. I can't believe you ate that whole thing.
Say something to the camera.
How was it?
Good.
Look over here.
Good. Okay, I need to see the video.